without calculator, so that the square root of 7 plus cube root of 7 plus 4 root of 7 is smaller than 7, and square root of 4 plus cube root of 3 plus cube root of 4 plus 4 root of 4 is greater than 4. Alright, how to solve this inequality? Alright, for the first, I want to remind you the rule of inequality. Alright, so if we have the a, that is a smaller than b, or alright, so we got the n roots of a also smaller than n roots of b. Alright, so follow this rule of inequality, we solve our problem. Alright, so we said that we see that the 7 is also smaller than 9. Alright, so we get the square root of 7 also smaller than square root of 9. Alright, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3 square. Alright, and 6 square concept with square root equal to 3. Alright, so we look at the other one. The 7 is also smaller than 8. Alright, so we get the cube root of 7 also smaller than cube root of 8, and cube root of 8 is equal to cube root of 2 power 3, and 3 concept with 3, and it equal to 2. Alright, so the last one is 7 is smaller than 16. Alright, and then we get the 4 root of 7 also smaller than 4 root of 16, and the 16 is equal to 2 power 4. Alright, here 4 concept with 4, and it will be equal to 2. Alright, so we took this the inequality 1 in here 2 and 3. Alright, so we sum 1 plus 2 plus 3, so we obtain it will be square root of 7 plus cube root of 7 plus 4 root of 7 will be smaller than, alright, 1, 2, 3. It will be smaller than 3 plus 2 equal to 7. And so the square root of 7 plus cube root of 7 plus 4 root of 7 is really smaller than 7. Alright, so look at the other inequality. How to solve this? Alright, you can see the inequality above are unsimple, so we can try it your own, and I also will be solve for you. Alright, so look at this. We have the 4. Alright, 4 will be equal to 4. Alright, so we got the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Always right. Right, so the other one with the 4 is greater than 1, so we got the cube root of 4 is also greater than cube root of 1, and cube root of 1 will be equal to 1. Alright, for the last one, we have the 4 also greater than 1, so we got the 4 root of 4. It definitely will be greater than 4 root of 1. Alright, and 4 root of 1 will be equal to 1. Alright, so we consider either in equation 4, in equation 5, and here it is 6. Alright, so we sum the 4 plus 5 plus 6. Alright, so we got the square root of 4 plus square root of cube root of 4 plus 4 root of 4 will be greater than 2 plus 1 plus 1, and it will be 4. Alright, so square root of 4 plus cube root of 4 plus 4 root of 4 is greater than 4. It really right. Alright, so we will finish here, and thank you for watching to the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the video. Alright, goodbye.